How to delete your Janitor AI account. First things first is visit or go to the janitorAI.com's official site. And by the way, you can also use any other web browser that you prefer. But for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. And once you're here, just simply log into the account that you'd like to delete. And once you're fully logged in, at the top right portion of your screen, which is going to be the abbreviation of your username, click on that and go directly to settings. And from here, you just have to scroll all the way down till you find the danger zone. Now just simply click on danger zone and tap on delete profile. So this is a confirmation page. So once you delete it, or once you click on delete, you'll no longer have access to all of the features of Janitor AI. So that's how easy and quick you can delete your account in Janitor AI.